Hey guys, I'm back with another great episode of Stovetop Yum Yum. Today, you're not going to believe how simple and delicious this recipe is. We are making breakfast, what I call a breakfast pot pie. And this episode starts right now. Okay guys, I'm back, and as I said, today we have a very simple recipe, delicious. These are the ingredients, and I'll have them below in the description of this video. Okay, first I started with I used 10 eggs. I've got 10 eggs, 2 tablespoons of milk, salt, and pepper, period. So we're going to scramble our eggs, okay? We also have 1 package of Grand's biscuits. I have 1 package of Jimmy Dean sausage, breakfast sausage, cheese, of course, our famous non-stick, because you know to me everything sticks. And you guys, a 350-degree oven, and that's it. How cool is that? Watch this, okay? So now we're going to I'm going to heat up my pan. Now keep in mind, the breakfast sausage, I'm going to make it in a deeper skillet because I am going to use the breakfast sausage, then I'm going to create a roux, and then we're going to make a sausage gravy to go in our pot pie. Okay, guys? So what I'm going to do is, first we're going to scramble our eggs, and I also forgot we're also going to use about a heaping tablespoon of AP flour, all-purpose flour, and of course butter, because butter makes everything better, and we also need that. We're going to use that for our roux. Soft scramble these eggs. They're going to be cooked, but they're going to be soft scrambled because they're going in the oven and you don't want them to overcook. So let's put these beautiful, my eggs, 10 eggs. You guys, this is going to be so amazing, a breakfast pot pie. You're not going to believe it, you guys. I'm going to keep scrambling these eggs. They'll be done in no time. When I come back, we'll get with we will work on the sausage gravy when I come back. And you guys, you don't want to miss this, you guys. I'll be right back. Okay, guys, I'm back. Look at this. I'm getting the sausage ready. Look at my soft scrambled eggs. Yum. That's going to be part of so now we are working on our sausage. Once our sausage is done, then now I'm going to drop the butter. I'm going to move this aside. I'm going to drop the butter, and we are going to add our flour to create. That's what will create the thickness in the gravy. It's called a roux. I think the majority of us already know that, but I wanted to share that with you. To make your gravy, you don't. So I'm going to grab my heaping tablespoon, of flour, and we are going to mix it. Remember, when you're making a roux with sausage or not, always remember that you know that it's ready when you don't smell the flour anymore. You don't want to make a gravy with uncooked flour. All right, so now we're going to start adding the milk, guys. Look at this. All right, so now I'm going to start slowly adding the milk. I like to use full-fat milk for this. I've used fat-free a lot. That's all we drink here at home, but we're going to use fat today. Yum. Let's check it. You just have to eyeball it, guys. Usually it's like, a cup and a half, 2 cups, but just eyeball it. Always remember that you can add more, but you cannot take out. It's so important to know that. How beautiful and easy was that? The sausage gravy will be done in probably 3 minutes. When I come back, you are going to see my casserole dish close up, and I'm going to show you how I assemble this beautiful, beautiful breakfast pot pie, you guys, and you don't want to miss this. Don't forget to preheat your oven at 350. I did that right before the show started, so my oven is ready. So I will see you guys in about 3 minutes, you guys. You don't want to miss this. I'll be right back. Hey guys, I'm back, and now the fun begins. This area here is still kind of hot, so I'm going to show you guys. Wait a minute, let me move this. Look at this, you guys. I'm going to do a close-up so you guys can see me assembling this. So first I'm going to grab my non-stick spray, of course. Spray it really nice with your non-stick spray. Grab a biscuit. We are going to separate. These are big grands, so these are really nice and flaky. So we're going to open a biscuit in half. We're going to place 2 right there. I am doing that. So now I'm going to grab, oh yeah. So now I'm going to grab some gravy. Sorry for the pan in the middle, but I'm going to put some gravy on, we're going to put the gravy on the bottom there. Let's just pour our gravy in there. And then we'll spread it around. Yum. All right, that's, oh wait, gotta get it all. All right. So here's our gravy. This looks so amazing and so simple to make. We're gonna pour our eggs all over our delicious gravy. Oh my goodness. My mouth is watering already, you guys. How amazing is that? Look at that. Okay, so I've got all that egg in there. So now we're going to add our cheese. You can add any cheese you like. Mozzarella. I love the Fiesta blend because it's Monterey Jack cheddar. I love that. So now we're going to put some cheese on in our casserole dish. As much or as little as you'd like. Make sure you cover the whole pan. Oh my goodness, did you guys? Now we can grab our biscuits. Stretch them out a little bit and put them on top. This is amazing, you guys. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. My mouth is watering. Alright guys, so we've got, wait, let's put this a little closer together. We're going to put 4 on top and 4 on the bottom. So we're going to move this baby over. And this one. We're going to put our biscuits. Like that. Alright, so you see that? Look at that close up. Check that out. Wow. Now I'm going to grab my brush and I'm going to brush the top with butter. Top of my biscuits with butter. Make it nice and brown. Oh, absolutely amazing, you guys. This is so amazing. So guys, I'm here. You saw how I assembled this, how simple it was. And now I'm going to put it in a 350-degree oven for about 20 minutes. And when I come back, we are taking this out of the oven. It's going to be ooey and gooey. And I'm going to plate and we're going to taste. And you guys, you don't want to miss this. I keep saying it. This is so amazing. When this comes out of the oven, you won't believe it. I'll be right back, guys. Hey, guys, I'm back. Our delicious breakfast pot pie is out of the oven, and you are not going to believe this. Look at this. Let me get a close-up. Hold on. I'm going to grab a sample. Oh, my God. This is beautiful. You can make this for Sunday brunch. You can even make this for dinner. It's the same thing when you're cutting a pie. The first piece is always the hardest one to get out. But that's fine. That's just how it is. I'm sitting here struggling trying to get this out. Oh my gosh. Look at that. Oh my Lord. Goodness gracious. Let me get that little piece of yumminess in there. Perfect. Guys, look at that. Look at that beautiful. My mouth is a river right now. It's so watery and this is so hot. But I'm going to taste this. Oh, look at that. See how nice and crispy that is? Oh my goodness. Please, please, God, please. Oh my God. Oh my goodness. This is hot, you guys. So easy to make and so delicious. Hot. Ooh, sorry, it's hot. Oh, hot. So good. Goodness. You guys, that soft egg, the soft scrambled egg with that sausage gravy and that cheese and that flaky biscuit. It does not get any better than this, you guys. But of course, you all know I'm a double dipper, so I'm going to have another taste. Everybody knows that, so. I'm famous for double dipping. All right, here goes another one. Hot. Mm. Mm. Listen. From all my breakfast episodes, oh my God, the best. So delicious. So remember, you guys, if you like this video, make sure you hit the like button. Don't forget to comment. And if you haven't subscribed yet, I don't know what you're waiting for. Smash the subscribe button and don't forget the bell. And listen, you guys. My two main ingredients in every dish, which I say it all the time, are passion and love. I don't care what you look like. I don't care what your kitchen looks like. I don't even care where you are in this world. If you incorporate those two main ingredients, passion and love, in any recipe that you make, your recipe will not fail. I repeat, your recipe will not fail, you guys. And remember, you guys, don't forget the bottom of the screen to visit Stovetop, www.stovetopyumyum.com. My merch is here. Check it out. On my website, I have my full store. And don't forget the promo code Stovetop. At the bottom of the screen, it'll save you 10% off your order, and shipping is always free. No joke. Also, you guys, remember, as I always say in every video, au revoir, I love you, los quiero, and until the next great episode of Stovetop Yum Yum, I will be back, maybe with my sidekick. You know how it is. The kids are finishing summer now, so. But either way is wonderful. And I will see you guys then. Take great care, you guys. Bye.